Greetings, everyone. As the wise man once said, every penny you don't spend is a penny you save. Let's embark on a journey to master the art of saving, even on a tight budget.
Absolutely, Danny. Life might be tough, but we're tougher. So let's turn this around and start making every penny count.
Our first stop, budgeting. Start by understanding your financial landscape, how much you earn and how much you spend. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is flowing, paving the way to better control.
With our map in hand, it's time for step 2, trimming the fat. Examine your budget and identify expenses that you can cut back on or eliminate altogether. Do we need that extra streaming service subscription? Can we cut down on dining out? Let's be ruthless but smart.
Now on to step 3, becoming a smart shopper. We don't have to accept the first price we see. Whether it's insurance, groceries, or cell phone plans, don't be afraid to negotiate and look for the best deals.
Ready for step 4? Here's a secret. The way to your financial health is through your stomach. Eating out frequently is costly. Try cooking at home more. It's not only cheaper, but healthier too.
Moving along to step 5, harnessing the power of discounts. From coupon codes to sales events at your local store, take advantage of these opportunities to save money. A penny saved is a penny earned.
Step 6 is all about transportation. Cars can be a money pit. Consider walking, biking, or using public transportation. If you can reduce costs here, you'll see a real difference in your budget.
Lastly, step 7, finding ways to increase your income. Even on a tight budget, opportunities are everywhere. Whether it's a part-time job, a side hustle, or selling items you no longer need, a little extra can go a long way.
So there you have it. With a little creativity and discipline, you can change your financial landscape.
Remember, friends, financial freedom is about making our money work for us, not the other way around. So let's start making those pennies count. Happy saving.